every aspect has been so well thought out, not just now, but the love that Bharat has always had for our environment. In fact, even when you listen to the Shanti part, there is a mantra which talks about how entire Prithvi, there should be peace, the environment should be peaceful, the medicines should remain peaceful and bless you and benefit you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken on the significance of the Divya Bhavya Ram Mandir and what Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram means to the Indian civilization, to the Bharatiya civilization. Why is everything about Lord Ram? Listen in to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
प्रभु राम तो भारत की आत्मा के कण कण से जुड़े हुए हैं। राम भारतवासियों के अंतर मन में विराजे हुए हैं। हम भारत में कहीं भी किसी की अंतरात्मा को छुएंगे तो इस एकत्व की अनुभूति होगी और यही भाव सब जगह मिलेगा। इससे उत्कृष्ट, इससे अधिक देश को समायोजित करने वाला सूत्र और क्या हो सकता है। आज हमारे राम आ गए हैं। सदियों की प्रतीक्षा के बाद हमारे राम आ गए हैं। सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, अनगिनत बलिदान, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए हैं।
Lord Ram, when the Pran Pratishtha happened, you had Ram Lala. Now you have the Sri Ram Darbar that's coming up. So Lord Ram is now in his palace, in his temple. Extremely, extremely significant when it comes for the civilization here. This is a part of a journey. The flag that goes up at the Abhijit Nakshatra or at that auspicious time signifies from a distance, and we could see it from a long distance when it goes up. The Shikhar itself is about 161 feet, and then on top of that there's the pole which is another 30 feet high. So from a long distance you can see the Dharm Dhwaj, perhaps to inspire everyone to be on that path of Dharm, which is justice for all.